Hello, this is Richard Wilson at the Family Office Club, and today we're doing an investor mandate interview with Ron. Welcome, Ron.
Good day.
And what type of an investor are you?
We invest in early stage technology companies. We especially like software ventures that target enterprises either as customers for their solution or are venture partners in the go-to-market strategy. So we like platforms that add clear value, leverage information inside the enterprise so that they get more value from it.
Okay. And do you define yourself as a startup, seed, Series A, Series B, all of the above?
Yeah, usually it's the angel round or even the Series A we'll do. So we're in, anywhere from like $50,000 to $1 million per deal. And we're big on technology companies that have a very compelling value proposition, very strong management team, big opportunity, very lucrative business model, and a way to monetize value creation.
Sure. I know SaaS software companies are popular right now. It seems like they're popping up every second. And you mentioned software companies. What specific type of software company would you like to see more of if you could choose one niche? Is it Fintech software SaaS companies? Is it some other type of software company that you're really most excited about?
Yeah, we have a lot of experience because I own a software company and we have a lot of big banks as customers.
Okay.
And so we have a really strong knowledge of the financial services sector.
Sure.
So we certainly like fintechs. And
Okay.
we're better able to assess opportunities there, the challenges to move forward, and a bunch of other stuff.
Right.
And so that's a natural thing for us. But basically, while that's an important sector, anything where you can innovate for impact to help these enterprises generate the next $1 billion in revenue has huge appeal for us because of a huge appeal for the enterprises.
Okay. And what about an investor listening to this who maybe was you 15 years ago or 20 years ago? What do you wish you would have heard from someone that would have dramatically impacted in a positive way your investment returns if you could have heard that advice earlier on?
Yeah, very good question. The big thing we've learned is the need to have a very talented and ambitious founder team with different and complementing skills on not just the technology side, but on the business side. So that's in the operating company. On top of that, we also look for a very strong board of directors with seasoned and experienced business people with complementing and different skills in technology, in business, certain domain knowledge about certain space or certain markets, certain types of technologies, and things like that. So this is about diversity in the operating team, as well as at the board of directors, and a whole notion around accountability and a real huge interest in getting results and creating significant wealth so that the high risks with early stage venture investing have a better chance of success. And
Right.
In the end, by us having that happen, it makes it more of a sustainable and attractive industry to be in, and more opportunities to come from it. So the whole
Right.
networking opportunities and the access to different and complementing skills and awareness of other ways to create wealth and to innovate so that in the end, it's very rewarding both intellectually and financially.
Right. Okay. So many times people have heard, oh, the team is most important, right? And it's kind of like, oh, okay, I know that. But what you're saying is that, an accountable team that's more ambitious, more well-rounded, playing their different types of roles, but also that they have a good board built out that's going to be very supportive in opening doors and preventing risks from becoming, a reality.
Basically,
in the business,
it's about
right?
the quality of the brain trust in the business and the board and the founders making these, important decisions at the highest level.
Right. That's the number one most important thing. Great. And do you prefer someone to reach out via LinkedIn if they're a fintech startup or a software company and they're looking for an angel investor?
Yeah, you can contact myself on LinkedIn, Ron at Kale, C-A-I-L. You're also welcome to go to the Kale website. There's a whole section there on venture investing. So we try and provide insights to founders on what we're looking for and insights on how to be successful. So a lot of good content there. As well, you'll see other things that Kale does around our software business and innovation. And so that gives us the background to collaborate with these founders to add clear value, and leverage what Kale does to complement what they do. So hopefully we're doing 1 + 1 = 3 or 4 or 5.
Right. Makes sense. Great. Okay. And for those of you who have already watched it, you might recognize Ron from our angel investor discussion panel we had recently. If you're not a member yet, you can become a member at familyoffices.com to log in and watch that virtual discussion panel. And then we're doing one of these investor mandate interviews every day going forward. So you can get access to all of those, plus the contact details for these investors by logging into the member portal. So thanks for your time here again, Ron, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Great. Thank you.
Take care.